Home security is a top concern for Dallas homeowners, and the front door is the first line of defense. Whether you're looking to protect your family, prevent break-ins, or enhance the overall safety of your property, upgrading to a new, high-quality door is one of the most effective steps you can take. Here's how door replacement can significantly improve home security in Dallas. Reinforced materials for enhanced strength. Older doors, especially those made of wood or hollow core materials, can be vulnerable to forced entry. Replacing your door with a modern, durable option provides a stronger barrier against intruders. Steel doors. Known for their exceptional strength, steel doors resist impacts and forced entry attempts. Many models include reinforced cores for added protection. Fiberglass doors. These are both strong and resistant to warping or cracking, making them an excellent choice for Dallas's varying climate. Solid wood doors. While wood offers a classic look, opting for a solid core rather than a hollow one ensures better security. Investing in a door made from high-quality materials makes it significantly harder for intruders to breach your home. Advanced locking mechanisms. The lock is one of the most critical components of any door. Modern replacement doors often come equipped with advanced locking systems designed to improve security. Multi-point locks. These locks secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making it more resistant to being kicked or forced open. Smart locks. These provide keyless entry and remote access, allowing you to control your door's security from your smartphone. Some models also include features like activity logs and alerts. Reinforced deadbolts. High-security deadbolts are standard on many modern doors, providing an additional layer of protection. Upgrading your door's locking mechanism as part of the replacement ensures your home is equipped with the latest security technology. Stronger door frame. A door is only as strong as its frame. Older or poorly installed frames can weaken over time, making it easier for intruders to force the door open. New door installations often include reinforced frames made of steel or high-quality wood, designed to resist impacts. Additionally, modern doors are installed with longer screws and reinforced strike plates to further secure the frame, reducing the risk of break-ins. Impact-resistant glass options. For doors with windows or sidelights, glass can be a potential weak spot. Modern replacement doors offer impact-resistant glass options that enhance security without sacrificing aesthetics. Tempered glass. Stronger than regular glass, it's designed to withstand impacts and resist shattering. Laminated glass. Features multiple layers that hold together even if the glass is broken, making it harder for intruders to gain entry. Frosted or tinted glass. Provides privacy while maintaining a stylish appearance. These options allow you to enjoy the beauty and functionality of glass doors without compromising safety. Weather resistance and durability. Dallas's climate can be tough on doors, with intense heat, humidity, and occasional storms. A worn or damaged door can weaken over time, making it easier for intruders to exploit vulnerabilities. Modern replacement doors are built to withstand harsh weather conditions. Materials like fiberglass and steel resist warping, cracking, and rotting, ensuring your door remains strong and secure for years to come. Improved fire resistance. Many modern doors are designed with fire-resistant materials, providing added safety for your home. Steel and fiberglass doors often come with fire-rated options, which can help contain fires and provide additional time for evacuation or fire department response. Noise reduction and peace of mind. In addition to physical security, a high-quality replacement door can reduce noise from outside, creating a more peaceful living environment. Knowing that your home is better protected also provides invaluable peace of mind, allowing you to feel safe and secure. Deterrence factor. A new, secure-looking door can deter potential intruders before they even attempt to break in. Modern doors with advanced locks, reinforced materials, and a strong frame send a clear message that your home is well protected. Many burglars target homes that appear to have easy access points. A sturdy, well-maintained door reduces your home's attractiveness as a target. Choosing the right door for security. When selecting a replacement door for your Dallas home, keep the following factors in mind. Material. Opt for steel, fiberglass, or solid wood for maximum strength and durability. Locks. Ensure the door comes with advanced locking systems or can accommodate upgrades. Installation. Work with a professional to ensure the door is properly installed, as even the strongest door won't perform well if it's poorly fitted. Conclusion. Replacing your door is more than just a home improvement. It's an investment in your family's safety and peace of mind. With modern materials, advanced locking systems, and reinforced designs, a new door can significantly enhance the security of your Dallas home. Don't wait until it's too late to address vulnerabilities. Contact a trusted door replacement professional in Dallas to explore your options and secure your home with a durable, high-quality door. Your safety starts at the front door, and upgrading it is a step toward a safer, more secure home.